Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prove head of household to the IRS. To qualify for head of household on your tax return, you must be unmarried or considered unmarried by the IRS. You also pay more than half the costs of keeping up a home during the tax year. In addition, a qualifying dependent such as child should live with you for more than half of the year. An elderly parent can also be a qualifying person, but they don't have to live with you. The IRS can require you to prove your eligibility to file as head of household. First, you will need to show that you provide more than half of the costs maintaining your home. To prove this, you should keep records of household bills, mortgage payment, property taxes, food, and other necessary expenses you pay for. You also need to show that your independent lived with you more than half of the year. School or medical records are a great way to prove this. So, that's how you can prove head of household to the IRS. Thanks for watching.